I think I understand about the energy fluctuation in the uncertainty loophole. However, last time we met, you introduced the idea of an event cell, and I'm not clear about that.
Okay Astro, you take it easy, and I'll back up a bit and take my explanation more slowly. You will notice that I've replaced the event cell with something I call the asymptotic well.
Yes, I can see that, Phil, but you will need to explain, starting with why you call it an asymptotic well.
Based on the uncertainty principle, there can never be absolutely nothing, or absolutely something. This is why I have used asymptotes to approach nothing and approach something. At first, the region between the nothing asymptote and the something asymptote is very small. This is the figure 1 on the image. But there is a probability that it will increase.
I suppose there is also a probability that it will go away altogether. That is, decrease to 0 probability.
That's correct Astro, but then we would have nothing to talk about. Let's just say that the probability increases. At the same time, due to the uncertainty, there will be tension between nothing and something that will result in a potential difference until the potential for something to exist has a probability of 1, and the event starts. As indicated at 3.
Wait. Phil. That's an interesting explanation so far, but what is it an event of?
I think the only thing it can be is the 3 dimensions of space. That is, a space-making event. The event continues to grow, until it reaches the Planck scale, indicated at 4. When the limit of uncertainty is reached, the probability that the event will continue, will decrease to less than 1, and the event will end.
I think I see, but I'm an astrophysicist, used to very large scales. Of course, I have heard of the Planck scale and understand that it must be very small. Just how small is it?
Yes. The Planck length is considered to be the shortest measurable length, but of course it cannot be measured because the uncertainty is almost total at that scale. To put the Planck scale into perspective, consider that the nucleus of an atom is 10 to the minus 15 meters. The Planck length is another 20 orders of magnitude smaller than that.
Can you give me a comparison on the human scale?
Let me see. If the Planck length was the size of a full stop in a book, the full stop would be the size of the observable universe.
Phil. That is just incredible.